Hello, welcome to another episode of our YouTube channel. Today I am going to make my first scrapbook. So for this I am using an A3 golden cardstock paper. So I am making a very small scrapbook. For this I will be making a marking at 15 centimeters from the edge. Next I will mark 5 centimeters from the previous point, and last I will mark 15 centimeters from the previous point. This is 16 centimeter height. So I am making vertical lines at the previously marked point and the height is 16 centimeters. These are the measurements: 15 centimeters, 5 centimeter, again 15 centimeters, and this is 16 centimeter. Now let's cut this out. I am folding it along these lines. Fold it neatly. So this is the outer cover of our scrapbook. I am using this paper pack of 6 × 6 inch size and 240 GSM thickness. So make sure to use a thick paper like this. This cardstock paper is of 5 × 15 centimeter size. I am pasting this into this center. So this is our paper pack, and I am marking 1 centimeter from the edge of each cardstock paper. Now I am making a neat fold at 1 centimeter marking. I am taking this double-sided tape and pasting onto the folded edge. Now let's paste this. So I am pasting the first page of my scrapbook. Make sure to leave some space from the folding. So first page is neatly fixed. Let's paste the second page. Make sure to leave some space from the previous page folding. Same way I have pasted some more pages. So total 8 pages I have already pasted. So my pages are closely spaced because I am not intending to paste anything thick over these pages. Okay. There is a large space over this area. So let's paste the last page of our scrapbook. I am pasting it like this, not in the previous way. So you can see that the last page is having quite a big space because I am intending to paste some thick decorations on the last page. That's why I am giving a large space for the last page alone. You can see here. Now let's cover the blank areas with this cardstock paper. I am using a double-sided tape to paste this cardstock paper. So I am filling the blank space with this cardstock paper and cutting off the excess paper projecting out. So this is going to make our outer cover more thicker and handy. And the blank space we can fill with washi tape. Don't worry about that. So finally our scrapbook cover is ready. This is a very simple way to make a scrapbook with 6x6 inch paper packs.